Carry, because I'm in the corner. Well, let me first put them in. Sorry, baby. Let me first put these in. Huh? Too fresh. Can you go inside?
Yeah.
Let me see mine. This one. Yeah, I know.
All the sugar. Good?
Too good.
I want to try it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. It's super hot today, guys. Super hot. And we stopped here at this Boba Loca right there. And just mix my boba. Which one did I get? The brown sugar? Brown sugar milk tea. That's good, but I just need to mix it. Oh, what's this car doing? Come on, car.
What do you mean you can go? Can you turn it?
Oh, I mean a left turn, I mean.
Well, go through the street.
Yeah, I could just go there. Oh my gosh, there's traffic everywhere. Why? Are all these people online? Oh, Siri activated.
iPhone. That dumb face.
I'm actually gonna go over here. I'll go through here. No, I'll just go through here. I know. Oh man. Huh? Uh-huh. Well, yeah, they gotta test them. Gotta make sure no one's gonna fall and die.
I like it.
I mean, it's not bad. It's just too simple. You know me. I like my things sweet. I like salty. That's what I like. I like salty. I like sweet and salty. That's why I love my wife. Oh. Feels like a summer day, huh? Oh, why is this guy reversing?
Because he doesn't.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If the light turns, yeah, he's not gonna make it. Because the light's right over there. I need to pee. Huh? Oh, you know what? I should have, huh? Oh, look at my Instagram story. I posted a story. Look at it. Why is this light not turning? The one over there, finally. Boy, I'm taking this. Oh, I'm staying in the middle. I don't care. Hear what sound?
But I can't hear it because you're just going to continue.
Oh. That's what he was doing. Huh?
His tongue was, oh, what?
So what? The baby. He's your baby.
His tongue.
He drank some milk.
Yeah, he had just been drinking.
It literally feels like a hot summer day. Now, there's a nice BMW right here. To the side. It's a nice one.
This one?
Uh-huh. It's a two-door, a coupe. That looks nice. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, you're choking him.
No, but he's gonna put it in. He's gonna put it in more in the boy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, little puppy. Little puppy.
I know.
Hopefully he's
Take pain? I'm sure you can. I mean, you have a high pain tolerance. I have a high pain tolerance. So I'm sure. Do, do, do.
Alright.
Hi, baby. Baby, what's wrong?
No, you're messing with the camera.
So, let's go. Driving time. Boy, don't cry. Please don't cry. Oh, it's a BMW M2. I don't really know the models of the car, but it's an M2 coupe.
What?
Yeah, it looks nice. Oh man. You want some more of mine? Since we have.
If I wouldn't have had a coffee, then maybe.
Well, I mean, to be fair, I haven't eaten nothing, so that's why I don't feel too bad drinking this. Cause I just had my coffee in the morning and then just this. It's a Saturday. Let's have a little cheat day, you know? We've been eating healthy the whole week. Well, kind of. And then I pretty much just sometimes only eat once a day, so. What happened, Papa? You're getting fuzzy? It's because the sun isn't in his face. I can see him through the mirror. The sun is like in his face. What does it say? Firestone 710 ramp closed. No wonder there's traffic here.
Go up, go up. Where's his other blanket in?
What blanket?
The other one.
Probably in the back. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned right now to you guys, but we're on our way to a funeral. Or I think I did mention it, I don't know. But yeah, we're on our way to a funeral. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this cologne. Gucci Guilty cologne. Well, this is a imitation. I'll apply a little bit more later.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, papa. Yeah, we're almost there. I know you don't like your car seat. I know. If I was in a car seat too, I'll start crying.
Tengo dos orejas para escuchar. Tengo dos ojos para mirar. Y una nariz para olfatear. Tengo.
That's my wife singing to our baby. Oh yeah, look, the ramp is closed. There's only one lane open. That's why there's traffic. Oh man, out of all the days. And it's like I usually don't come through here, so oh well. At least you guys get to see some traffic content. And this gas station used to be cheap 2 weeks back, but now because of all the things that are happening, it went up to $5. That's crazy. For all of you guys that have V8s or V12 engines, I'm sending prayers your way. You guys must waste a lot on gas. Let me know in the comments what type of cars you guys drive. I'm a little interested to see what you guys are driving. Who?
There's a van in this car.
Oh, really?
Go up, Bobby. Go up.
Why does this car have his left blinker on? Don't tell me he's gonna make a U-turn. Imagine. Oh, he took it out. He heard me. He heard me.
Go up, Bobby. Go up.
Too summery. Too summery. We should get him some shorts, huh?
He has a few.
Yeah, he has a few. You know what we could do too? Some of his joggers or things that he doesn't really use, just cut them. No. I mean, it's gonna look a little ghetto, but at least he'll be fresh. Oh my gosh, this is where the traffic is coming from. Go, go, go. Metete. Metete Orita. Metete. Huh? Oh, they do? Imagine if our apartment had a pool. I'll be right there right now. Yeah, I would. I know. All mustard. All black water. Yeah, see, that's why there's traffic, because the ramp is closed.
But did they really have to do the line on?
I guess so.
They gotta start redoing it.
I know, huh? Right?
Yeah, Bobby. Yeah, Bobby. I wonder where it's going.
Yeah, well, because they're doing construction, probably. They're probably fixing some. I don't even see no workers there. They just have it closed for no reason. Leave him alone, please. Let's see, there's not. I mean, there's not even no work being done right now. Why is it even closed? So look for parking outside, right? Okay. I think because all of this is closed, a lot of people are turning here because look, it's packed. Huh? No, it's just packed right now because of the freeway. Yeah. Yeah. What is this car doing? Oh my gosh, lady.
That's a guy.
It's a guy?
Yeah.
Or disappointment to all the guy drivers. We can't even park over there.
Huh?
We can't even park.
There's gonna be no parking. So people are coming in out of We'll just park inside, but tell them you're gonna leave.
What if I park in one of the beginning ones?
If there's any space.
Well, we'll see right now.
I mean, because they said 3 to 5.
I farted.
I'm
gonna put them in. See, look, there's no parking. That's not parking, is it? Well, that is, but I don't fit there. Since when were these red? I could park here. Or we could just walk in, no? I already passed it.
No, just park inside.
But what if we want to leave? Why don't I go ask? Be like, hey, like we're gonna leave soon.
Not soon.
Well, not soon, but like we're gonna be one at party.
I think we could stay from 3 to 5.
Yeah, that's what they said, 3 to 5. No, well, Pastor said that yesterday. The ideal time for us is 3 to 5.
Well, be to 7.
Yeah,
but
we're not all gonna stay till 7. Well, let's just park. Well, let's tell them that we want to. Almost. He's not hungry, is he?
No, I tried giving him the water.
Oh, give it to him again.
I didn't. Maybe I speak to you again.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well then,
yeah.
let's just park inside then. Yeah?
Unless there's parking in this room.
Alright guys, so that's actually going to be all for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Click all the other videos that YouTube is going to recommend. And I'll see you guys on the next one.